Do you struggle to pick out what juice to buy each month? I know sometimes I do. I have my favourites. I have juice that I go back to, but sometimes I want something different. I want to be surprised with juice. Well, if you're in a similar situation, I've got something for you. There's a company called Vape and they do a subscription service. Now there's different levels of packages that you can order each month, and they send through different juices for you. Now I have lots of juices, but I struggle every month to find something new, something different to try to buy, and I just want to be surprised. So what I have here is one of their packs, one of their subscription services. I'm just going to show you the contents down below and we'll come back. I'll see you here in a minute. So these are the 4 juices I got in the gold package, but there's also 2 others. The silver package is $17.99. You get 2 juices, 2 Nick shots. You also get a 10% discount card. This is the gold subscription. You get 4 bottles of juice, you get 4 Nick shots, you get a scratch card, you get money off, you get discounts. I think it's a pretty good package. I think 4 bottles of juice is enough to last somebody a month, near enough, if you've got your favourite juice as well. Then you've got the platinum, which is the top tier. In that you get 300 mils of juice, 6 nicotine shots for the juice, 2 scratch cards, 20% off top-ups and 15% off the Gorilla Juice. That's a really good deal. For £45 you're getting a lot of juice there anyway. For the $29.99 deal for the gold package, you're getting a lot of juice, and even for the $17.99 silver package, you're still getting your money's worth every month, and you're also getting it delivered to your door. So if you don't want to leave the house and you don't want to go out, or the floor wobbles, this is perfect for you. But it also means that you get a surprise of juice. You get to try something different, something new. And if you're struggling every month to find something different to try, just to whet your taste buds, this could be the thing for you. How it works, what you do is you sign up for the subscription service. They send you out the subscription pack, the juice, and then each month, at the start of each month, around the 5th, you will be billed and the money will be taken from your account. I think that's a pretty good deal. I've also got a cheeky little discount code for you to use for your first order. VUG15, and that's going to give you 15% off your first order. Okay, I'm looking forward to my next month. I'm looking forward to going through these juices. I know I'm really looking forward to this juice, banana custard. It's one of my favourite flavours of all time, and also, well, it's got a monkey on the packaging, so it's kind of suitable really, isn't it? I'll leave a link for you up above so you can go and check out the brands. Look at all the brands that are actually scrolling across the bottom. There's some top names there, guys. You'd be silly to miss out on them. Go and at least have a look through. You can make a decision, and you can always cancel if you don't like the first package, so it's well worth a try. See you all soon. I've been Graham, Vape Underground. Remember, I didn't even have a mech ready today. Vape responsibly.